In this video, we take a close look at the Afrikaans word gedachte. Gedachte is a thought, an idea, or notion. Dit het deur my gedagtes gegaan. The literal translation there is, it went through my mind or through my thoughts. But the correct translation is, it crossed my mind. Sy gedagtes dwaal. His mind wanders. In gedachte. In gedachte means pensive, lost in thought, or absorbed. In gedachte hou, keep in mind. Om in gedachte te hou, to keep in mind. Hou in gedachte, jy moet nog jou huiswerk doen. Which means, keep in mind, you must still do your homework. You can also say, hou in gedachte dat jy nog jou huiswerk moet doen. Which means, keep in mind that you must still do your homework. Hou jou gedagtes vir jouself. Keep your thoughts to yourself. Ek sal my gedagtes bietjie laat gaan. That means, I'll consider the matter or I'll give it some thought. Gedagtegang. Gedagtegang, the order of thoughts.